Rape again?
Life without a parent is very unbearable. My father died when my mother was pregnant of me. My mother also died when I was 3 years old.
Would you believe that one of the guys asked me out?
What?
My uncle treats me as his own daughter, provide everything I want for me. Not until a fateful day, and I felt a strange touch on my body.
Hey! I'm talking to you! Stand up!
I did not know it.
I hate you!
It was so interactive.
I hate you! I just consider fatherhood.
You guys should consider my suggestion. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run mo bẹ̀ wá. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fìjà fọ́lọ́run jà. Àwọn guys yìí wọ́n lágbára jù wá lọ. Wọ́n mọ̀yàn jù wá lọ. Most of our parents wọ́n lówó lọ́wọ́.
Ọmọ Yoruba, don't even tell me that. Don't even go there at all. How will you feel if you were in my shoes?
Olivia!
How do you want me to tell my parents I've lost my virginity? How? Are you feeling my pains at all?
Arike!
Are you?
Arike!
Olivia.
Arike, sorry for disturbing you. Like, Arike, I just love the way you used to do your Arike. Like, I don't know. I just love it. Like, I wish I know how to speak Yoruba fluently like that, but I'm not good in it.
Oh, wow, I'm so happy. Well, Oriki is one pillar in Yoruba land. Oriki is one pillar in Yoruba land. And only a part of pọ̀ tí ó máa ń kó ní ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. As you see me, ọmọ Yorùbá ni mí.
Pass it by force now. It's not done anywhere. Eh?